Uh, okay, so just for the recording's sake, I've talked about the importance of using this solution for organizing our appointments, in our calendar, scheduling payments, which is very important, and writing programs for our clients. Of course, this writing programs for online clients and programs that they can easily understand because there are pictures and videos that they can use. And I also said that it's like having a PA, an accountant, or a salesperson that reminds you of your payments, and also some thing to aid you as a fitness professional. So, Eduardo, please let me hand over to you. Go ahead and let us have what you have for us today.
Awesome. Thank you very much for the great intro, Joe. Definitely some very interesting insights about the industry. I mean, we've run over the last couple of months quite a few webinars. What we see is that some of these main issues are just keep recurring, regardless of where you're based or what part of the we've spoken to people from the Nordic countries, England, now Nigeria and stuff, and these problems seem to be recurring regardless of where we are. One thing I would love to ask you, Joel, is would you be able to allow me to share my screen?
Most
I think
definitely, I'm actually working on that already as you,
awesome.
yeah, as you were speaking.
Wonderful. So yes, so what will just to give you some context, everyone, my name's Eduardo. You can call me Eddie. I'm the country lead for UK market at Harbiz. Harbiz is an all-in-one management platform designed for wellness professionals. We work with anyone from physiotherapists to the small gym owners, from personal trainers to nutritionists and so forth. The idea is to have all the tools you need to be efficient and be able to scale your business all in one place. So we're talking about anything from tracking your client's progress to creating workout and nutrition plans for your clients, taking payments, managing bookings, and much more. What this allows you to do, having everything in one place, allows you to minimize the time waste and the amount of time you spend on admin and repetitive tasks, such as recreating a program from scratch to each different client, having several different tools. So saying, yes, I'll use Google Calendar for my meetings, but then I'll be confirming the meetings through WhatsApp. I'll be sending the link over if it's an online session via Zoom. I'll be sending the program via Excel, and hopefully I'll see if you remember to reply to me. I'll be able to see what you've done. That can be an absolute nightmare. And if you're trying to scale your business, the amount of admin required is going to be overwhelming. So that's why the Harbiz was designed in the first place, to make sure that every personal trainer can just minimize the time they spend on these repetitive admin tasks and reinvest that time into their business on acquiring new clients and it providing your clients with the best experience possible. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Could someone confirm once if you can see it?
Yep.
All good. Okay, wonderful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at the three issues that Joel was mentioning, and I'm going to show you exactly how the platform and some of the features that we have within the platform can help you solve those issues. I'd like to start with the third issue that you mentioned, which was about creating programs. Right. At the moment, creating programs, for some people it's pen and paper, some people use Excel spreadsheets. But what ultimately that does, it doesn't help your clients. If you imagine your client on the gym floor trying to zoom in into a spreadsheet or a piece of paper that says Facebook on it, especially beginners might not even know what Facebook is, so they find themselves in the gym wanting to work out, but they're looking at this, then they're typing in on Google, on YouTube, Facebook, so they can see how it's done because they want to try and do it correctly, but with no assurance that they'll actually be doing it correctly. So going back to the idea of having a video that you can even upload yourself to make sure that the clients are following you online are actually, with using the right posture, the right weights, and so forth. So with your Harbiz membership, you get access to a library of exercise videos. We provide you some. You're also more than welcome to add your own. It's very, very easy. All you need to do is click on the button on the top right-hand corner, insert the name, and add a link to YouTube or Vimeo. If you want to upload your own, you will have to upload them to YouTube first. It's very, very easy. It takes just a couple of seconds. And if you don't want those videos to be available to the YouTube community, you can set the privacy as unlisted. What this means is people on YouTube won't be able to see that, but you can still use the link, embed it within the platform, and use it for the workouts you're going to be designing for your clients. I like to take a look at this as a bit of a funnel. Okay, we've got all of these hundreds and thousands of exercises which you have as a professional have access to. The first step is to combine them into workouts. Okay, so within the physical activity section on the right hand side, next to the exercises, you've got the routines, also called workouts. You can go ahead and create as many workouts as you like. As you can see on the left hand side is where the structure of the workout will take place, and where you will be able to add exercises and rearrange them. Whereas on the right hand side is where you'll be able to filter and search for the exercises. You've got two ways of searching for exercises. You can either search for an exercise by name, I don't know, military press, biceps curl, bench press, so forth, or you can search and filter for exercise by tags. Tags are nothing less than a way of categorizing exercises. This might be based on a given instrument, like a kettlebell or a TRX or the lat machine, or it might be based on a part of the body. What we'll do, for example, is we'll create a very basic and short day one upper body workout. So if we go on the left-hand side, we can start by giving it a title. And then on the